Welcome to the guide on Internet of Things Development Platforms. In the world of connected devices, choosing the right tool to write your code is just as important as choosing the hardware itself. Today, you will learn about the differences between classic environments, advanced code editors, and modern cloud-based tools. An Internet of Things development platform acts as the bridge between your raw code and the physical hardware. It is the workspace where you write instructions, manage external libraries, debug errors, and ultimately upload the firmware to the microcontroller. Without this layer, the hardware is just a collection of silent components. There are three main categories of tools you will encounter. First, classic integrated development environments, or IDEs, which are standalone software programs great for beginners. Second, advanced editors, which integrate into professional coding environments like Visual Studio Code. And third, cloud platforms, which allow you to code and manage devices directly through a web browser without installing anything. The Arduino IDE is the most famous starting point for makers. It is designed to be extremely simple. You install it, plug in your board, and click Upload. It has massive support, meaning if you have a problem, someone has likely already solved it. However, it lacks advanced features like intelligent code completion, which can make managing very large projects difficult. For those ready to level up, PlatformIO is a powerful ecosystem that usually runs inside Visual Studio Code. It offers professional features like syntax highlighting, advanced debugging, and a unified system for managing libraries across different projects. While it has a steeper learning curve, it is significantly more efficient for complex, professional-grade development. Cloud-based tools like Arduino Cloud or Blynk shift the focus from your computer to the internet. These platforms allow you to update code on devices wirelessly, known as over-the-air updates. They also provide drag-and-drop dashboards to control your projects from a smartphone. The trade-off is a dependency on an internet connection and potential subscription costs for advanced features. When visualizing the market, we can see a clear trade-off. The Arduino IDE scores very high on ease of use, but offers medium flexibility. PlatformIO is less intuitive at first, but offers maximum power and control. Cloud tools are often the easiest to use for simple remote control tasks, but they can be restrictive if you try to build something outside their specific ecosystem. Hardware support varies significantly. PlatformIO supports over 1,000 different boards and handles library dependencies automatically, making it the most robust choice. The Arduino IDE supports a vast range of hardware through its board manager. Cloud tools are generally more selective, often working best with specific Wi-Fi-enabled boards supported by their vendor. To decide, follow this simple path. If you are a complete beginner, start with the Arduino IDE. It removes the friction of learning a complex interface. If you are building a complex project or require professional code management, move to PlatformIO. If your primary goal is to control a device remotely from a phone without writing a custom mobile app, a cloud tool is your best option. In summary, the Arduino IDE is the gateway to embedded programming. PlatformIO is the powerhouse for developers who need control, and cloud tools are the shortcut to connected, remote-controlled devices. The best approach is to start simple and upgrade your tools as your projects grow in complexity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.